Hey everyone, this is Depot, Denver real estate agent, and we are in Aurora Highlands, 30 minutes east of Denver, and we are about to tour several homes of the Pulte Collection. And this is a community that is up and coming and growing, and people who want to be next to the airport, this is a location that you want to see. And they, have some rates right now to buy down, because we know the interest rates are pretty high, so you can buy down to 4.5% to between 4.5 and 5%. More information will be in this email. And if you're a person, looking to buy a new construction home, my channel have a bunch of new construction homes, new videos every week. And if you're a person moving to the area, relocating the area, have any question what's going on in the different real estate market, please leave a comment below. And yeah, we are about to tour this home and get ready for this. just got touring the Manzanita and the Pinnacle Collection. 3-bedroom, 3-bath. If you're a person moving to Denver, relocating to Denver, love new constructions, I'll be filming videos every week. And if you have any questions about special financing, those going on in Pulte Homes, leave a comment below. If you want to have my buyer guide or have anything about new construction, leave a comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly videos like this every week. Thank you.